You have some sauce to go with your rice, and also you have beautiful fish.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. In Malaysia, there's one dish called Claypot fish head. And usually what they will normally do is they will deep fry a fish head and cook some mixed veggie, chap choy, and pour the mixed veggie onto the fish itself and to be served in a clay pot, which is a very popular and my personal favorite dish. Okay, I'm going to make that dish tonight. I have a 7-star grouper here with me, fish head. It's a little bit messy because this fish head is a little bit too big for my wok to handle, so it breaks off a little bit here and there. Well, still edible. This is home cooking anyway. And then I have some chopped minced garlic and also sliced ginger. And I have some mixed veggie. You can put in any kind of mixed veggie you like. I have some broccoli, cauliflower, different colors of capsicum, oyster mushrooms, and cabbage. Yeah, cabbage here. And some restaurant will normally put in a bit of roast pork as well. And I'll be using some chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock at home, you can use Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder into 1 bowl of hot water, and 2 seconds it becomes chicken stock. Yeah. So you can get my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder from Shopee Singapore or Malaysia. The link will be inside the video description. So basically, I have already deep fried the fish head here. You can use any fish to your preference, and the thing you need to do is only that you need to sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and also white pepper, then coat it with 1 layer of starch powder and deep fry. That's it. Deep fry until fully cooked. Yeah. So once it is heated up, you can put in the ginger and garlic and saute it for a while. Once you start seeing some garlic becoming brownish, you can then add in the mixed veggie. Give it a few stir. And meanwhile, we are going to prepare the chicken stock. Let's look at here at the side. I have 1 bowl of hot water here. Give it approximately 1 teaspoon of my chicken stock powder, and immediately it becomes chicken stock. That's how simple it is. Coming back here, we are going to add in the chicken stock, 1 bowl of hot chicken stock here. And now we can give it some seasoning. Approximately 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 round of light soya sauce, a bit of Shao Hsing wine, few dashes of my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce. All the sauce or ingredient list will be recorded in the description, right? Oh, smells so good. And not forgetting, you want to give it some salt and some sugar. Adding the similar amount of sugar with salt after salt will actually enhance the potency, the potency of the salt itself. Next thing, I'm going to close the lid and tune down to medium or medium-low. Let it simmer for probably 2-3 minutes before we continue. It's almost done. All right. This is after approximately 3 minutes cooking under medium heat. My chap choy using chicken stock is almost ready. Right. Oh, super fragrant. Now next thing, I'm going to off the fire, prepare some starch solution, thicken out. Let's thicken out the sauce. Appa is always not so good in doing starch solution. It's actually still a little bit too watery, but it's okay. I really don't like my dish to be too starchy. And before we serve, I'm going to give it a little bit of sesame oil. Actually, it's a little bit too much. Let me take out some. Miss Q. It should be just about about 2-3 drops will do, yeah. Miss Q. And not forgetting few dashes of white pepper. All right. I'll add some fried garlic. So our chap chai is ready. I'm going to pour this over to the fish. So here's the fish head. Here's our chap chai. So this dish is very nice. You have chap chai. You have some sauce to go with your rice. And also you have beautiful fish. Well, this dish outside, it is actually more starchy. Yeah? Like I said, Appa is always no so good in starching my dish because I don't quite like it. Right. And they usually serve in a clay pot. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my dinner, actually all video you see is my family dinner. So if you like my dinner, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.